And a good morning, everybody. The day here is August, 21st? Maybe a Saturday. Yeah, it's definitely Saturday, August 21st. This is Vinny Miletti with Miletti Law, the strongest name in law. So a big shout out to the admins. So we, hired a couple of admins. We're doing a great job fielding the forums and everything that we have. They've been pulling together a bunch of questions. I've decided to do these some shorter videos, just really quick Q&As. You guys and girls have a lot of questions, and they're pretty practical questions because I really deal with mostly business owners. So they're pretty practical business questions that I figure the best way to handle them, rather than actually just peppering you all with 4,000 emails and whatnot that are all very long. Handle some short, some short Q&A videos where I just address some of these questions directly. So without further ado, here is the one of soon to be a billion short little Q&As from Miletti Law. So get your questions in, put them in wherever you want to put them. I have a ton of forums on my Facebook page, on my website, on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel here, get these updates, sign up to the website, get the newsletter, etc. All right. So the most recent question, one of the most common questions that come in, is you guys and girls know that I do a lot of intellectual property. We like to coin the term legal branding here. So one of the questions that comes up is why is it important that I why is it important that I file for trademarks? Why is intellectual property important? What does it do for me as a business? What does it do for me as a brand? I mean, look, realistically, it's extremely important to do it, because if you want to have any kind of long-term success, you want to have any kind of long-term stability in your brand, long-term protection in your brand, you need to trademark. If you have logos, trademark. You have any concepts, any names, titles that you want to give secondary meaning to. If you have any specific images, labels, logos, artwork, literary material, music, you want to get those copyrighted ASAP. The fact of the matter is, people will steal your stuff. People will wait till they do it all the time. And now in this world of automation, they have bots, they're bots and trackers online. They will just literally like in like a year, you will start seeing your logo will be on Shutterstock for free, license free. People will infringe on you. You'll have brand names that sound similar to yours and just add 2 letters at the end of it. I mean, it's the nature of this business. You will be successful, you will work hard on your success, and others will milk you for your success. This is just how it is. There are millions and millions and millions of copyright, trademark infringement lawsuits out there. Just protecting this. You have some brands, don't get me wrong, that are excessive. Like Monster, that energy drink. They're a little crazy. WWE, this man's a little crazy. He'll sue you for anything. Standard Process. They're a little crazy. The fact that their name came up in this video, they'll probably sue me too. But they're, you need to protect your brand. You need to protect your intellectual property. It's a very cheap price. It's $250. What is it? $250, $75 to file. Of course, you're paying your attorney's fees, so whatever your attorney charges you for the time. But at the end of the day, you're protected. No one can infringe on your rights. You can charge royalties for licensing out your brand. Royalties are passive income. It is money you will earn without working. Why nobody wants this, I can never understand in my life. You can use my logo as much as you want if you pay 4% on royalties. Like, I don't care. Like, it's just mind-boggling to me how people are dollar wise and people are penny wise and dollar foolish, and they don't understand it. So, look, protect your brand, keep your brand strong. A couple of other little things I pointed down, I just scrapped. I wrote things like, I don't want to say it prevents confusion. I don't want to say, prevents, your consumers from buying the wrong product or whatever the case is, because that's all like wishy-washy crap, right? Look, I want to speak to you in real money. Protect your brand. Nobody steals your heart. Nobody makes money off your hard work. Nobody can sit there and take credit for your hard work. Get your royalties. Charge a 4% royalty for your brand if it's powerful and strong. Slap a logo on. Charge people for your logo. Do like Ford. Do like the car companies. You know, there's plenty of money to be made, and it just takes a little bit to get there. You just have to not only invest in yourself, but invest in your company and invest in your ideas. So it's extremely important to brand if you want to have any long-term success, which you should be planning that, because we're not a chop shop and this isn't a drive-by business opportunity. You should be planning for your business for a very long time. So set the framework now. It's not expensive. Stop being terrified of lawyers' fees and prices, and just go make it happen. So there you go. That's why it's important to have your brand and trademark and copyright.